Mihira, I need you to keep a close eye on Mr. Davis in room 302. He's post-op from a hip replacement and is at risk for delirium. We've started him on antipsychotics, but it's crucial to monitor for any adverse reactions. Also, he's on blood thinners, so watch for signs of bleeding.
Understood, Linda. I'll keep an eye on him. Should I restrict his mobility due to the delirium risk?
Not entirely. Gentle mobilization is essential to prevent complications like pneumonia, but avoid overstimulation. Create a calm environment and provide frequent reorientation.
Okay. And what about his pain management? He's been complaining about discomfort.
We've adjusted his pain medication, but we need to balance pain relief with the risk of respiratory depression. Monitor his respiratory rate closely. Mihira, if you notice any changes, inform me immediately.
Mihira, it sounds incredibly frightening to witness your child having a seizure, and it's completely natural to feel worried and seek answers. Please know that you're not alone, and it's important to understand that seizures in children are not uncommon. While they can certainly be alarming to see, many children experience them for various reasons, and, importantly, most do not go on to develop epilepsy or long-term neurological issues. It's a challenging experience for any parent, and we're here to help you through it. Now, regarding what might cause a seizure, there are several possibilities. Often, especially in young children, they can be febrile seizures, which are triggered by a high fever, even a rapidly rising one. Other times, factors like dehydration, a head injury, or in some cases, certain neurological conditions might be underlying causes. We will work to figure out what happened with your son. Given all this information, do you have any immediate concerns or questions that have come to mind about what you witnessed or about seizures in general? I want to make sure you feel as informed and comfortable as possible,